Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today is Fan Art Friday. And what's Fan Art Friday? It's when you guys submit an idea of a drawing and we bring it to life. So we have our first fan art and it's from Sophia from Florida, and she requested a space monkey.
Wow!
What's cooler than a space monkey? Who knows, but we'll show you the step-by-step to make this space monkey, and we did it on a canvas, so come join us. All right guys, let's get started with Fan Art Friday, and make sure to submit your requests so we could draw one of your cool drawings. So let's start with Sophia's drawing, and she wanted a space monkey. So we're gonna draw a monkey in space. And the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the body. So we're using a canvas instead of paper this time, which is pretty cool.
Yes!
And what we're gonna do is towards the bottom, leaving some space on the side, we're gonna make a curve that goes down to the canvas. And I'll do the same thing on this side, and I'll do it at the same height. So I'm gonna come over. From here, we're gonna draw, this is his body, we're gonna draw his neck, and his neck is covered because that's where his helmet's gonna go as well. So from each point or each side, I'm gonna make one curve that goes down. And then from this, we're gonna make something that kind of looks like an oval, and we'll copy that same pattern. Just like that. So here we have his body and his neck. From here, we could draw his really big or her really big helmet. And what we're gonna do is, from here, we're gonna continue with this curve, and we're just gonna make a big circle, leaving just a tiny bit of space on the side and some at the top. So as I drew the circle, I turned just so it made it easier for me. And then from here, we could do the head. So the monkey's head is gonna be on the inside. And what we're gonna do is, connected to the neck area, we're also gonna make a big oval. So we're gonna leave some space on the side so we could draw his ears, and some space on the top so we could draw some hair. So I'm just gonna start from here, and I'm just gonna make one oval that connects to the left side. So there we have the outside of the head, and for the inside, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna make a curve at the top that kind of looks like a heart. So right in the middle, I'm gonna make a little dot, and from here, I'm gonna make two curves that look like a heart. We're just not gonna finish the heart. So I'm gonna go to the right first. With the heart that we made, we stopped at the same height, and then from here, we could do the cheeks. So for the cheeks, we're just gonna make curves that go out and connect to the bottom where his neck goes as well. So there we have the inside of the head for the monkey, and then from here we could draw all the little cute details on the inside. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw two long ovals for each eye. So I'm gonna do the left one first, and then I'll copy the same design on the right side. And we're just gonna leave some space right in the middle. So there we have the two eyes, and now we could continue and we could do the details in the eyes. So for the inside of the eyes, we're just gonna draw a curve from the bottom, leaving a little space at the top, and return right back down. So it's gonna look like a big tall hill. And then we're gonna do one more design on the inside, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna copy that same thing, and it's just gonna be smaller on the inside. And we're gonna copy this same design we did on the left eye to the right eye. So there we have the monkey's eyes, and then we could continue and we could do the nose. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna do two little holes for his nose, and we're gonna do it right in between his eyes. So we're gonna come down from under his eyes, and we're just gonna draw two little circles. There we have the nose, it's so cute and tiny, and then from here we could draw a nice big smile for the monkey. So right in between the smaller ovals that we did in the eyes, we're just gonna make one curve for a smiley face, and this goes right under the nose. Just like that, and what we could do is we can make the mouth open and big, like a big smiley face, and we're gonna dip down and make a big curve. So there we have our monkey smiling real big, and then we could do his tongue as a little detail. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do two curves or two hills. There we have our monkey all happy. We could continue and we could do the design of his hair, and what we're gonna do is right in the middle of his head, and right on top of his head, inside of the helmet, we'll make a little point. we're gonna come down like a mountain to his head, and we'll do the same thing to the left side. I'm gonna stop halfway, and I'm gonna just make one more mountaintop. Cute little design for his hair. From here, we could do some ears. So right next to his cheeks, we're gonna make curves. And on the right side, this curve is gonna look like a half circle or a backward C. The detail for the ear inside is just another backward C or half circle that's just smaller and right in the middle. And we'll copy the same design on the left side. And there we have our monkey's face. Look how cute he looks. Now we just have real small details. So hopefully you guys are finding this fun and easy. Give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. And the last few things we have are the details of his suit and a little antenna that we could draw at the top. So to separate his body from his arms, right past the curve, we're gonna come over and I'm gonna make one vertical line that touches the bottom, but it doesn't touch the neck. So I left some space here and I just drew a vertical line. I'll do the same thing on the left side. And then right in the middle of the suit, we're gonna draw one vertical line that goes from all the way to the top of his neck to the bottom of the canvas or the paper. I'm gonna copy the same design, leaving some space in the middle, and I'll go down. This part's gonna be some zippers. So what we could do is could do some horizontal lines. So here I'll connect the two vertical lines with some horizontal lines. And for the little zipper, we could just make a little triangle. There we have the zipper for his suit. And then on this side, we could draw a little patch. So here we could draw a circle, just like that. And on the right side, we could draw his little name tag. So we're gonna draw a square. So here I'm gonna draw one horizontal line. And on each side, I'm gonna draw two vertical lines. Those are the details of his suit. And for his antenna, what we're gonna do is right on top of his hair, we're gonna make a curve that reaches a point. So look, I'm gonna go up from the helmet, up to the top of the canvas. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side. The top of the antenna is gonna be a backwards triangle. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make two diagonal lines that go the opposite way, and then we'll close it with a horizontal line. And then for the antenna, we're just gonna make a little orbs around this. So here, I'm gonna make the design of an oval, and I'm gonna come around and reach the other side, just like that. I'm gonna do that same design, just a little bit lower. And there we have our monkey in space. Look how cute he looks. Also guys, since he's in space, I thought we could add like extra little details. If you guys want to add some stars or some planets or some aliens, whatever you guys could imagine. But if you did want to watch this, I'm going to draw a UFO and a planet because his little alien friends are going to visit him. So on this side, I'm going to draw an oval that's long. This is the UFO ship. And then right in the top, in the middle, I'm just going to make a curve like a rainbow. I'll do a smaller one in the middle. And the details of the UFO on the UFO are just little circles. So here I'm gonna draw 4. And there we have our UFO. And to make it seem like it's flying super fast, right next to it, I'm gonna draw a horizontal line. And then I'm gonna draw one above it that's shorter, and then one underneath that's shorter as well. Looks like it's zooming through the sky. Right here, we're gonna draw a planet. And what we're gonna do is, I'm just gonna draw a big circle in this corner. And we're gonna draw a ring around the planet, which is Saturn. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna make a loop just like we did for the antenna. And then in the inside of this, we could copy that same loop. And there we have our space monkey. All we have to do now is color him in. So grab whatever markers, whatever crayons, or even paint if you have paint, and let's color him in.